Hey, what's good, YouTube? Jamo TV HD. You already know what it is. I know you're here because you saw the title of the video. You're not here by chance. Ticwatch Pro unboxing, and we're gonna do a little bit of like a first impressions kind of review kind of thing. Let's pre on the back of the box now. Okay, Wear OS by Google. 5-day battery life with layered display. 5-day battery life. Alright. NFC payments and thing. Alright. Premium materials. GPS. Google Assistant. Bear watch faces. Heart rate monitor. Water resistance. Music streaming thing. Let's pop it. Let's pop it. Let's pop it right now. Okay, hold on. Right, that cellophane was moving mad. But obviously, yeah, here we go. What's on the top? What we got on the top? Premium smartwatch, layered display, dual screens, unrivaled battery life, apparently. Alright, we'll see what my Pebble has to say about that. In the box, as you can see, you get the cable, a manual, and the watch itself. How do we... Oh, slide thing, you know. Alright. Okay. Alright, let's get it. Okay. That's what man them are saying, you know. That's what man them are saying. Right, let's get it out. Boom. Oh, okay. That's what that thing looks like. Alright, mad. Leather strap it looks like almost. Boom, that looks kinda sexy. Let's put that to the side right here. Let's see what else we got in the box. Well, in the box it's quite simple. User manual. Here we go. Boom, little user manual thing. Come, and you've got the cable and the cradle kind of thing. So that's just for charging the thing. There you go. Bish, bash, bosh. Yo, how do we get this out? How do we get this out of here? Let's undo this. Let's undo this. Oh, it's a kind of rubberized strap. Right, let's put that back in there. Let's get that out of there. Put that to the side. Let's put the propaganda in the background as well. Alright, now let me get a chair. Alright. Guys, I don't know. I feel like the strap looks a bit clapped. I think it looks a bit ugly personally. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Let's just peel this little film off the screen. You can't really see the two screens there, obviously, but we have been told that it is dual screen technology kind of things. And obviously that's the back right there. It looks kind of cool. You know, you got your heart rate sensor there, and you got your little charging connection point there. Now, from what I understand, you got two buttons. I mean, not from what I understand. From what I can see, you got two buttons. One is the home button, and one is a button that you can like assign and map to any other you know, function or app that you want on the Ticwatch. So it's kind of like the Polar M600 that I previously had, that sports watch. Let's just try and turn it on then. Do I hold? Which button do I? Oh, all right. Can we get some zoom? All right. Let's see what we've got. And I've just noticed we've got all the numbers, got all the minute numbers around the, you know, where's that? The face? Around the face, whatever you want to call it. Yeah. It's looking all right. All right. Tap to begin. Let me just skip through this setup process because I think you guys know how the setup process works for Android Wear already. You're all set. All right. Okay. So here we go. We're on the normal screen at the moment. Now, from what I understand, that should automatically turn off. Is it off? Authorize apps to learn more. Right. Let's have a little see what we got going on here. Oh, let me go past this tutorial bit. Oh, what is that? A little bit of lag? Is that what I think it is? Is that a bit of lag? That can't be what I think it is. Alright. Yep. Oh. Alright, yeah. Let me get past the tutorial real quick. So, initial thoughts kind of thing. I'm just updating all the apps, you know, getting rid of all the tutorials and stuff like that. There's a little bit of lag going on. Like, I noticed when I'm scrolling and doing, you know, normal stuff, it hicks up for a second. yeah, you know, it hicks up for a second. It does look nice though. I feel it. I definitely feel it. Okay, it's working a bit okay, but you can see there's a little bit. Sometimes it doesn't register touches, sometimes it does. Let me just show you what it looks like when it goes into that mad mode, that battery saving mode. Here it is. Wait for it. I wonder if I can put the screen timeout to be shorter. Let's have a look. There you go. Now that is supposed to be the battery saving mode. I thought it was a standard screen, but apparently it changes depending on your watch face. So let me just pick a different watch face now. Pick that watch face. Right, and then let's wait for it to go off and stop doing its thing. Come on. Come on, mate. There we go. Oh, no, it is a standard watch face. Yeah, so you can't really change this screen right here. It will always be like this. I thought it copied the watch face, which was, you know, on the screen kind of thing, but I think it's just because I switched to this specific watch face. Yeah. But yeah, no, it looks cool. It looks nice when this watch face is actually on. And obviously it looks nice when, you know, the watch face has just gone back to like pebble mode. I'll just show it to you next to my pebble. In case you guys want to see that. You want to do a little comparison. Obviously my pebble is showing a black screen right now. But yeah, it's essentially the same kind of technology going on there. With all the viewing angles and stuff like that. So yeah. I'm gonna, you know, wait for a week, and then I'm gonna do another video and let you know what the battery is saying, and then I'm gonna return it on Amazon because man ain't got money for this. Obviously, man was like to my mumsy, "Look, fam, man wants to do a review for this watch in it, so can you hook it up real quick and then we can keep it moving? I'll get you the money back as soon as I refund it." So yeah, that's the struggle right here, fam. But yeah, guys, thanks for watching. Leave a comment in the comment section below. So far, so good. I haven't tested the heart rate sensor or the Google Pay yet, but obviously I haven't got a shop inside my yard to do that on. So yeah, when I test that throughout the week, I'll be at you guys with another video showing you guys what's really good. But as you can see, it takes a little bit of a while from it to go from this mode to the normal mode, and I'm getting notifications at the moment and they're not showing up on this screen. So yeah, that's one thing to consider as well. But yeah, guys, should be cool. I'll catch you in the next one. Jamo out.